Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today we're here with 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Sorry. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 just dropped a song named Sorry. So we all seen in the media what's going on with 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. We all know where this song is coming from. So we're not going to waste our time and explain that. If you don't know, then you don't know. Sorry, but go do your research. So for the past week, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 has been trending. So this is the song when dropped the answer. Or for, not for answer, but for express when I go through or whatever it is. You might do that song. I'm gonna know. So I could jump on the one and say, what go on? Let's go.
I don't know. Yeah, breathe. Loyalty come like rain, you know. You'll fall for a period of time and then stop.
So the man said loyalty coming like rain, it only fall for a period of time, then it stop. We know that.
Rain, you know. You'll fall for a period of time and then stop. No darkness go. Yeah. People not genuine. None of them not real, them only come around for the benefit. When them no get it, them eyes red like say I red a ring. Me sit down in bush by myself, I pray many things.
Remember say my first song when dropped near Mankind. Been a sing about this. Been a sing about how people stay and bury him heart and all of them thing there. Him been a sing about that. So we know 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 with them type of music. Yeah. You see me? So obviously whatever happened now, he must cause me like the fact say him put it in one song and not just dep on the media back and forth. Me like say him put it in one song. So I hope this just run off and then 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 just back on him career again. You understand? Let's go.
People not genuine. None of them not real, them only come around for the benefit. When them no get it, them eyes red like say I red a ring. Me sit down in bush by myself, I pray many things.
The man say, when them not get it, them eye red like redering, dog. Redering, red, you know, they research for redering. For the younger ones, they want to know what is redering.
Them no get it, them eyes red like say I red a ring. Me sit down in bush by myself, I pray many things. Me want a friend go set me up and me them take me things. Me looking at the nozzle dog and say me life a dream.
Say, me want a friend them set him up. Me want a friend them set him up, make them take him things. Remember, say him do a interview with Turdan. Big up Turdan. The G. Remember, say him do an interview with Terror, you know, and done said this already in the interview, you know. So this is for him truth. Obviously, the man them were allegedly do it forward back on Terror's channel and do a next interview. So there's a 2-part interview on Turdan channel. Go check it out if you don't see it already.
My friend go set me up and me them take me things. Me looking at the nozzle dog and say me life a dream. Me have to wonder if me start or if them over me. Or if I over these. Mama, me sorry. Bury me heart now valley cause mankind wicked and me can't run from it.
Mama, me sorry. Bury me heart in a man valley cause mankind wicked and me can't run from it. So basically, I must say, yo, mommy, sorry. Like, nah, no love for nobody right now. Sorry.
Bury me heart now valley cause mankind wicked and me can't run from it. Yeah, tell me for call on the ladder when me try it, him now answer me. So me chill in the darkest place when no light now carry just.
Man say, yeah, tell me for call on the ladder when them call on the ladder, the lad now answer him. So him just a go and chill in the darkest place. He must say that to his mother. Cause you know how our Caribbean parents them say, yo, leave it in the hands of God and leave it to God and God will see you through and all of them something there. But sometimes I say, yo, when them call them now answer him. So what him for do? You understand?
Yeah. Him now answer me, so me chill in the darkest place when no light now carry just me and myself and nobody. Yeah. Come here to save myself, cause God can't save everybody. Yeah.
I have to save myself, cause God can't save everybody. God busy at the other thing. God can't save everybody. Yo, me like the emotion when 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 put in another song. Me like the emotion when 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 put in another song, dog. Like this show how truly talented this youth is, you know. Him truly talented. Him just needs to get him act together and just keep on a narrow road, brother. Just keep doing your music, dog. You see it?
Yeah. Come here to save myself, cause God can't save everybody. Yeah, don't I want through the valley of death. Me alone I want no time and I fret. Me bury my heart in ice, me have no love left. The one who hurt me, I want me.
Yo, the man saying bury him heart in ice. in a ice, brother. If you bury your heart in a ice, it automatically frozen. It's frozen. I know it's like him of the ice general. Yeah, I think I got it from the ice nation. The man say bury him heart in a ice. He's not buried in a normal soil, brother. Not buried in a normal earth, not the normal desert. No. Ice.
Ice, man, I have no love left. The one who hurt me, I wanna me. Summer rather stay in a dark place, dark like one cave. If loyalty real, just spread it every day when I fall. We are not still around, yeah.
Yo, sweet boss, big up yourself, man, G. It not take a simpleton to come up with a song after what happened like this, brother. It not take a normal person, dog. This show how talented you is, bro. This show say you're not disappoint me, G. Just keep giving your music, bro. Like, seriously, keep doing your music.
Just spread it every day when I fall. We are not still around, yeah. Mama, me sorry. Bury me heart now, valley, cause mankind wicked and me can't run from it. Yeah, tell me if I call upon the Lord when me try it, him now answer me. So me chillin' in the darkest place when the light now carry just me and myself and nobody. Yeah, cause me have to save myself, cause God can't save everybody. Me sister them not real, and them want to draw me out, them sell me out for little cheddar and them clothes. The amount of pain me feel when me raise up off the floor and turn around and see the shot in the chrome.
Clot. About the legal over here, so. The man said amount of pain when him feel when him wake up and see the shotty and the chrome basically up. You know? Yo.
Not real, and them want to draw me out, them sell me out for little cheddar and them clothes. The amount of pain me feel when me raise up off the floor and turn around and see the shot in the chrome. No, for me so me heart get numb. So right now me no want no love. For me scare them deep gone down in a hole and it can't fix up. Mama, me sorry, bury me heart now valley, cause mankind wicked and me can't run from it.
Bumbo clot, the emotion get hot. But now you level, dog, like, bro, anybody who can relate to that song, brother, and, you know, I forget beat up with this or box up with this or whatever, you know, you can just relate, dog, you can relate, brother. This is a fucking hit song, dog. This is a hit song. This is a hit song, no joke. I'm not joke, brother. This is a hit song, dog.
Them deep gone down in a hole and it can't fix up.
You're emotional, listen.
Bury me heart now valley, cause mankind wicked and me can't run from it. Yeah, tell me if I call upon the Lord when me try it, him now answer me. So me chillin' in the darkest place when the light now carry just me and myself and nobody. Yeah, cause me have to save myself, cause God not save everybody. People not genuine, none of them not real, them only come around for the benefits. When them not get it, them eyes red like Sierra in me. Sit down in the bush by myself, I free many things. More than a friend go set me up and me them take me things. Me looking at the nozzle dog and see me life a dream. Me have to wonder if me salt die for over this, or if them move me at me. Because one kind of kid I'm can't for it. I tell them to call when I don't check them now.
Yo, me can't hold it no longer. I fuck with them and them do the man. I fuck with them do him. That me I say now. Brother, I fall in the show no do. I fall in the show no do to the youth, brother. And video it to dog and post it, brother. Fuck you no do, dog. Fuck you no do, brother. See the boss, learn from this, dog. Learn from this, brother. Like, learn from this, dog. Seriously, brother. Learn from this, brother. I don't know where I go put in place going forward, I don't know where I can put in place, brother, but you need to put something in place, dog, to prevent them type of issue happening. It might not be the same thing, but I'm just glad say you have your life same here, bro. I'm glad say you're still there, bro, and can put out that song, your G. Because the man, them could have lost you, dog. Them could have lost you, brother. You see me? Yeah. So I'm glad say you're there, bro. Brother, learn from this, dog. Learn from this, brother. You see me? Yeah, cause remember say you give mankind and them sang there from day one, you know, bro. Don't lose it, dog. Don't lose it, brother, cause you can lose your life over this shit, dog. The streets don't love nobody. You know, cartel say the streets don't love nobody, dog. You see me? That is my advice to you, bro. Put things in place. Put things in place to stop this from happening. You know, security, get 2 police par with you. I don't know, brother, but you need to get things in place to stop this from happening, dog. And the man that do it, brother, fuck you, no do, dog. Big old man thing. Fuck you, no do, brother. You see me? Better me tell the man, say, yo, no lift up at my place and go on where you go, dog. Better me tell him, say, yo, lift up, brother. You don't have to do that, brother. You never have to do that, dog. You see me? But it happened already, so can just learn going forward. Silk boss, big up yourself. You see me? Big up yourself, my G. Keep putting in the work, dog. Keep putting in the work. This is what I'm going to leave down here, guys. If you enjoy that one and want to see more from your G, you know what to do, man. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.